Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to My Data Cafe Learning Management System. If you're watching this video, it means you have been invited to enroll into a course of My Data Cafe. We congratulate you for this opportunity. Now in this video, we will talk about how to navigate through the LMS. So once you register on any course, and you create your user ID and password, this is the screen that you will see. Now in this screen you will have the courses that you are enrolled for. So right now I have one course here which is R Programming for Data Science. So this is the dashboard that you will see once you log on. So you have a few things in the dashboard. So for example here, so any announcements that are made will be visible here. So right now I do not have any announcements. So this is the welcome page. So in the welcome page you will have information about My Data Cafe. So this is an introductory video of My Data Cafe, how to contact My Data Cafe. This is a WhatsApp number. So and here is a link to the website of My Data Cafe. So once we click this, it will open the website. So I would highly recommend you guys to check out the website. It has a lot of other information as well, and you can check out the different courses that we offer. So these are the courses that we offer. Each course has been designed by working data scientists, so only relevant content is included in the course, and it includes a lot of case studies as well. So details are mentioned here, so you can go to the contents of any of the pages, so that will have more detailed contents of all the topics, all the lectures and the case studies and the projects as well. So all content has been created by data scientists, and a lot of projects and case studies included in the courses are replica of actual projects that are being worked upon in the industry. So our team has designed the courses and the projects in such a way that it gives you a very good hands-on on projects and case studies on business problems which are actually being faced by the industry. So that's the edge of My Data Cafe. So that's about the welcome page. Now let us go back to the dashboard. So this is on the left hand side toolbar. Now on the right hand side we have a few options. You have this is a welcome message. Any other announcements that are made will be visible here. So you will have, so I have 200 messages here. So these are the announcements. So once you enroll, you will have a few messages here. And let's dive into the module now. So this is the course that I have enrolled into. So let's go in and see what's there. So I go into the course. Now I'll have, the course has different modules. So each module is like a chapter in the course. So as we can see, there are some 13 chapters here. So we have 13 chapters here. That includes the lectures as well as case studies and finally the project. So for example, the first chapter, the first module here is setting up R, and you will have a progress bar on the right hand side. It will show you the progress, what proportion of the course have you completed. So right now we are at 7%. So I'm just into the first module, which comprises of 7% of the total course. It will show my enrollment date. So I enrolled on June 13th. Days allowed in the course. So I will have access to the course for 90 days. And days until deactivation. So you can rate the course here. I highly recommend people who are into the course, who have been taking the course for some time, to rate the course and write a review on your experiences through the course. So I will suggest to take some time to review and not make immediate judgments. On the left hand side you have again the forums. So forum, I highly recommend everybody to check out the forums. So this is the forum that we have. So you will have multiple, you can post questions here, you can discuss with other users, other learners of the course, you can discuss any problems that you are facing. Now my DC moderators will periodically look into the forums and answer any questions that learners might have. So highly recommended. Please do post any questions that you have on the forums. Now to the modules. Now you see each of these modules, they have a lock button here. So this signifies that the modules are locked. Now the courses are designed in such a way that the modules has to be followed in a sequential order. You cannot jump modules. This is in the best of interest of the learners. So we highly recommend you to go in fact, you won't be allowed to jump modules. So the second module is unlocked, and this will unlock only if you finish the first module. So let's dive into the first module. So each module thumbnail has a basic description of what that module will include, the topics included in the module. So let's dive in the first module. Now this is the first module. It has a brief introductory video. So you either watch that video, so you can watch that video and then proceed. If you don't want to watch any video, you can just click next, though not recommended, but if you have seen the video already, then you can click next and go to the next video. So let me move ahead. So once you are inside a module, the left hand side toolbox will have the sections that you have within a module. So I have these sections, and I have one more section remaining here before I move to the second module. So this is the last section in the first module. Let me click next. Now once I click next, I move to the second module. So I have entered the second module. Now you see the second module is unlocked. It is no longer logged now. So because I completed all the modules, all the sections in the first module, the second module is unlocked now. So similarly, once you go to the second module and you have basically finished everything in the second module, the third module will unlock automatically. So some of the modules, for example, this is where we start with data structures in our, so this will have snippets of code which you can download from here. So do watch out for links which are given below. So you just click it here, click on the link, and it will ask for download. So you can download the codes and keep it for yourself. So this way, once we finish the second module, so the second module has these sections here which are listed on the left hand side, and once you reach to the last section, now some of the modules might have a quiz. The minimum percentage to pass a quiz is 50%. You have to score a minimum of 50% to clear a quiz, and if you clear a quiz, the second module, the next following module will unlock automatically. So this is how you navigate through the My Data Cafe LMS. So to go back, you go to the home page, click on the home button here, and you are back at your dashboard. So this is how My Data Cafe LMS works. If you have any questions on this, do feel free to reach out to us at info@mydatacafé.com, or feel free to post a question on the forum.